Hey, so I just want to kick things off with saying thank you for taking some time to watch the video. This is my first, and you're gonna see there's some things that are rough about it, some lessons I'm learning as I'm getting going. I'm just happy to be able to try something new, and we're gonna figure it out along the way. So, thanks for clicking on the video. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think at the end. And be sure to subscribe and follow along, and watch where we get with all this. So, today we got a really fun project we're going to get started. Right now I'm in the kids' playroom, and we decided that we are going to be building a stage. So they'll have something to put little plays on and just kind of climb around and have fun. So that's what I'm going to get working on, and let's get to it. So at this point we've laid out the footprint of the stage. It's going to be tucked into this corner. I'm going to start building up the walls up on this, and I'm going to finish framing this all out so we can have the full shape of the stage set up. Up this back wall, I've got some bar clamps that are holding the shape of it right now, and I'm going to put these vertical pieces in. I've already marked their position when they were up against the wall earlier, so now I know exactly where to put them, and I can just pound them in place and screw them in. To account for the trim that's going on the wall. So let me just show you that real quick. So we have this trim. It's 6 inches tall by 3/4 of an inch thick. So what I've done is I've cut grooves on these vertical pieces so that then this face can be flush up against the trim, and then this goes around the trim so that this face can be flush against the wall. So because of that, there's a little bit of an offset, which means that I have to have this kind of off the ground a little bit so that I can move the pieces to where they need to be. So, looks like I have a helper that's come to join me. Avery, what are we doing today?
We're building a stage.
Building the stage? Yeah. You give me the helper? Cool. Here we got Atticus and Dakota. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so what do we have behind us here?
A wall.
So we've got the first. Let's move out of the way, Atticus. We got the first wall here framed up. So we're going to do the side wall, and here. We'll just keep moving forward.
Whoa.
You want to turn that until it comes off?
Melon. Yeah.
Atticus, watch out.
No, what?
Okay, so at this point we've got the side walls, back walls up, side walls framed in. I'm going to be framing in the front edge of the stage. And right in here you see there's going to be a little bit of a storage area that we're going to be framing out. So come along. Okay, an update on where we are right now. We've got the framing mostly done. We are working on this storage bay back in here. These three areas are going to turn into cubbies. So it's going to be a space that we can double as toy storage for the kids. So they have the stage up here. They have toy storage in here. And then you see I framed out a little bit of space back there. That's actually going to be a trap. There's going to be a trap door on top of the stage that goes down into that area. And we're also going to have this is going to be framed, little hidden door right here, so they can enter here, or they can go through the trap door on the top. So. That actually came up to a pretty interesting thing I had to figure out, because this was placed just perfectly so that it would be entirely blocked by the stage framing, because over here there's no longer any more access to it. So, and then by the time the front is on it, it's going to be completely sealed off. So I bought an extension cord, one of those flat ones right here, and I rounded it through the space between the baseboard and the framing on the side. So now I can bring this in to the inside of the stage area and still have access to power. So that way I can have lighting strips and stuff that are going to go underneath the stage. So that little crawl space is going to be, it won't be dark. First little setback for today. I knew I was going to run into this a little bit, but I have only one of these batteries. Most of my tools are still corded. I mean, obviously, we're working on a budget. So I only have one battery tool, and I only have one battery. And my drill ran out of battery. So, show must go on, so I'm going old school. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. So, if you ever find yourself in this situation, and you have to go old school, here's a trick that I picked up from Scouts, which is one of the things that's keeping me sane right now as I do this by hand, if you take the screw that you're going to be putting into the wood and you rub it in some Dove soap, just get it in the threads like this. That makes it going a lot easier, and really most importantly, it also smells so good. So, and that's what we really care about here. It just adds a certain je ne sais quoi with the whole woodworking experience, which is really superb. So log that one away. Okay, so we are done with the framing officially, by whatever means necessary. Batteries are charged again, so I can use power tools for this next step, so that would be nice. But framing is done. There you can see more of the shape of it. You have this storage area back in up here in front, and it's split into the three cubbies. And now we're going to be putting some OSB on top just to have something that continuous across the top of it, and then we'll put the flooring, I guess, something that looks a little bit better over the top of that. But yeah.